So whether it's a barn dough or whether it's a block home or a stick home, we do all of that. And we're actually, guys, we're doing things a little bit differently. Nick and I were talking about it. We are just going the extra mile in every step that we take, even putting hydroband, even putting red guard around the windows. There's a lot of things that your contractor just wants to get the house up and get going, but we don't want to come back 2 years, 3 years, 4 years from now. We just want you to be happy and make sure the house is done right. So we're doing all these things as to where we would be building it for ourselves.
Absolutely.